So if you have applied for your e-visa and you have kids as well and you want to apply for their e-visa, so this video is for you. You have to do what? You have to go into your email to get the link. You have to go into your own email. You're not gonna get a separate email for your kids, but this time even there is no need for the email, there is no need for the link. You can just go on the UKVI website and without any invitation you can directly apply for the e-visa of your kids. So let's go to the laptop screen and I will update you everything. Please don't skip the video. So if you have created your e-visa and now you are looking to convert the BRP card of your children, your daughter or your son, so you have to open your own email. Okay, so here is saying if you didn't receive this email, this rule is changed. Now you can go directly to the link as well. Link is given in the description. So you will go in the link in the description or you will open your own email. So this page will open in front of you. Get access to your e-visa. So you will go down and you will select on the start now button. Please keep in mind you are the parent who is applying for the e-visa of the kids. Here they are asking, have the BRP? Yes, I have the BRP. Next button, do you still have the BRP card? Yes, I still have the BRP card. Okay, is your BRP card valid? Yes, it is valid. So you will continue button. So next point is very important. So you have to do what? You have to create the UK visa immigration account. You have to create UKVI account. So if you have already an account, you can directly go in the sign in option. So for the kid, I will create the account first. So I will click on the create account button. So this is important. Who are you creating this account for? I am not creating for myself. I am creating for someone else. For example, parent creating account for the kids. Okay, please keep in mind this is important. Parent creating account for the kids. So I will select the continue button. Other important thing is who needs to access the account. Definitely you will need the access to the account because your kid will not be able to manage the account. So you will select this. Only me as the account holder cannot manage the account themselves. Select this and continue button. So after this they will ask what is their name. So you will put the name of your daughter, your son here, first name and the second name, then continue button. So after that they will ask the country of nationality. You will put Pakistan and then they will ask which identity document is Hafsa using. BRP she is using. My daughter is using BRP. So enter the biometric resident permit details for Hafsa binte Faraz. Here we will enter the biometric resident number and here the expiry date and then we will select the continue button. After that, creating the account for Hafsa bint Faraz, that is my daughter. What happens next? You have to enter and confirm your email address and the phone number. You will use these to sign in the UKVI account for Hafsa bint Faraz. If Hafsa bint Faraz can manage their account, enter their own email and phone number. Okay. If Hafsa bint Faraz cannot manage the account, what we have to do? Confirm you are authorized to manage the UKVI account for your daughter. Enter your name and the relationship. Okay, so you will then make the full access to the account, provide the immigration status, update the details and everything. Okay, so we will click on the continue button. Okay, what email address do you want to use when you sign in the account? We will write our email address of the father and continue. Phone number you want to use while you want to sign in the account, we will write the phone number and continue. After this, important question, can Hafsa bint Faraz, can your daughter manage their own account? No, they can't manage. Okay, so then we will select continue button. So then they will take us the declaration. You can read all these and then confirm and the continue. Okay, so after this they will ask what is your name. Enter your name written in your identity document. Okay, if you are not okay, so now we have to write our own name like Faraz and here I will write Ahmad and continue. Okay, so what is your relationship with Hafsa bint Faraz? I am parent, legal guardian of the child. Okay, then continue. So after that, check your answers before you create the UKV account for Hafsa bint Faraz. We will check all these details. So here you must be seeing email address and the phone numbers are empty. Why? Because my daughter don't have email address, don't have the phone number. As you have not added account, a sign in details of Hafsa bint Faraz, they will need to use your email address and your phone number to sign in. If you want to add their details, that's all right. But if they're too young, click on the continue button. It will take you to the next page. Check your answer before you create the account for Hafsa bint Faraz. Name is Faraz Ahmad and I am the parent. So here you can see this is the email address and the phone number of mine as a father. So I will click on the create account button. So here you can see UK visa immigration account has been created. Okay, for Hafsa bint Faraz. What to do next? You need to sign into the Hafsa bint Faraz account before you can view the Hafsa bint Faraz eVisa. We will check the Hafsa bint Faraz identity UK immigration ID check app. Okay, you Hafsa bint Faraz has a biometric resident permit. You will need to provide this if you have not already done so. Okay, if you do not know their BRP number, you can use the immigration app. How to do next? Okay, so what we will do, Hafsa bint Faraz birthday and Hafsa bint Faraz date of birth and access to the email or the phone number. Okay, then we will select on the sign in button. After this, we will go back on the email. You can see there is a you have created an EVA. So here I have received an email. You have created a UK visa immigration account for Hafsa bint Faraz. So to sign in to the account, we have to use the link given in the email, as I told you previously as well. Then you will click on the link, so it will ask you which document you want to use for the sign in. That is BRP. We will enter the BRP number and continue button. So after that, they will ask the date of birth of the Sabinte Faraz, and then they will ask about the expiry date of the BRP, which is definitely 31st of December 2024. And then this page will come, link your eVisa to your account. I will click on the start button. When you will click on the start button, so these things will come in front of you. So here are the three things which you have to do. Link your eVisa to your account. This is the unique reference number. Okay, so three things: identity and the contact, account security, and the submit request. So first of all, what we will do on the confirm your identity. Okay, click on the confirm your identity. This is the important point in the whole of the application. Confirm your identity. You need to confirm your identity using the UK visa immigration ID check app. Okay, select on the continue button. Okay, check you have the right phone. iPhone 7 or above, Android phone with the contactless payment or the NFC setting. Yes, I have the contact phone, and continue button. And after that, what you will do, you can continue on the app. So you can download the app in your iPhone or in the Android phone using these links. So you can connect the app to your account. So you can connect by two ways: connection code, or you can just scan this link in the your app. So I will basically connect using the connection code, and after that we will move forward. So you are connected to the app, and on your phone it will start working. So here, after entering the code, you will select the continue button, start using the app. You will go, first of all, you will take your document images, front side, back side. After that, you will scan your face, and after that, you will take the photo of yourself. That is, I am gonna take the photo of my daughter. So I'm gonna start. So first of all, international passport, no, I have used the BRP. So I will, scan the back side of the BRP, continue button, and you will bring the back side of the your BRP and it will be scanned. Okay. And now we are going to scan the front side of the BRP card of my daughter. Okay. So this is also scanned. So confirm the date of birth. My daughter date of birth is 22nd of July 2022. Yes, I can confirm this. You have confirmed your date of birth. Continue. Okay. Assess the chip on your card. What I will do, I will select on the continue button. So what I have to do, so here you can see it's saying ready to scan. Scan, you will bring like this and you will keep it there still. Okay, so here you can see ready to scan and assess the chip in your card. Access chip completed. So now chip scan is completed. What we have to do, we have to take your photo. Here photo mean the photo of my daughter. Continue. Continue. Use the camera. Gonna take the picture of my daughter against the white background. हफ्सा बाबा की तरफ देखें. ना बेटा. So this is the picture. Yes, so use this photo. We can use this photo. So these are the details of my daughter and I will submit the information. So what happens next? So this is the important question they are asking. You can continue on the mobile or you can disconnect here. You can continue on your laptop. So I will disconnect in the mobile. I will go to the laptop. So this is your form, link your visa, we will select the continue. Okay, when we will select the continue, here you will see like you confirm the identity. This is already, you will select over here. So we have completed the identity already with the mobile. So identity information submitted. So we will continue over here. Okay, so here you can see the identity is completed because we did through the mobile. Now we will click on the your location. Okay, are you in the UK? Yes, I am in the UK. And after that, am I in the UK? Continue button. Okay, and location completed, contact preferences. So all the things are given over here. So this is my email. I will select that email, continue. And this is my number. I will select that number, continue. And so here I will check the details, continue. And after checking the details, you can see identity and the contact all are completed. The next one option is account security. Account security question talking to us about your account. So first set of question, we will read this question and we will select one, continue. You can see all these are completed, only submit the request is left. So we will click on the declaration, and I am the person submitting the information. I'm over age. I am the person submitting the information. I am under the age. I am the parent. So select the correct option in the declaration. I am the parent, continue. And after that, only submit application is left. You will select the submit application, and after checking the application, confirm and submit. Okay, so here you can see your application is submitted. Now what you can do, finish and leave the service. Okay, so here we go. So everything is done. So all the 6 steps you can see are completed, and you have to wait for the decision for the e-visa.